Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well and welcome back after Eid holidays. Okay, now today we are going to start chapter number 6, that is computer security and ethics, and in this unit you are going to understand the importance of computer security. You will be able to familiar with the terms cybercrime, hacker and cracker, differentiating between various types of attacks, virus, worm, adware, spyware and malware, and understand how the virus spread. Know the common types of symptoms of the attack by the virus, worms, adware and spyware and malware. Okay, now starting with the most important thing, that is computer security. Computer viruses and the other types of harmful softwares often infect computer and damages the computer hardware or software. Computer user must have the knowledge about the computer security to protect from these threats and keep in good working condition. Computer technology should not be used to harm other people who use computers. This unit presents material about computer security and moral guidelines for the ethical use of computer. The next thing is very important of this the importance of the computer security. Computer security user often exchange information with each other or communicate over internet. This can infect users computer with virus and other types of softwares that are malicious software. Some users are aware of the computer threats, but many are unaware, do not know how to protect their computer. Computer security or safety is important for the computer user to protect their computer from different viruses. It is necessary to install security software, that is firewall, antivirus and spyware on your computers, and these all should be regularly updated in order to save yourself from the issues that are occurring due to the presence of viruses in your computer. Next, the three important factors, that is cybercrime, hacker and cracker. We are going to learn about them also, and by learning them you will have an idea of what basically these three terms means and what role they perform in the field of computer security. First one is cybercrime, refers to any crime that is committed by the means of computer, internet technology by unlawful way. Computer and internet improve our lives in many ways, but unfortunately the same technology is also used by the criminals to harm the society. Moreover, criminals are exploiting the convenience of an internet to commit various types of crimes. Crime now include activities that across national borders and international borders, and globally it's spreading year by year. And over here many governments have passed the cybercrime bill that carry fine and prison sentence for the cyber criminals. Now there are certain commonly committed crimes that is known as cybercrime. Computers have been involved in crimes such as fraud, kidnapping, murder crimes, and related with the stealing of money from bank and credit card company. Okay, they may steal your personal information, that is username, ID, password, credit card number and bank account number. They are very, very confidential information and you are not allowed to, or you are not supposed to share it with any other person. Downloading illegal software, music files and videos are also cybercrime. Illegal software means the softwares that does not have any legal authentication, or the way these softwares are produced is not legal. Internet harassment or cyberbullying is also serious crime committed by the cyber criminals. Internet harassment includes sending threatenings, emails, spreading rumors or viruses, making defamatory comments, sending bad videos or bad material things related to or regarding other person that is not very pleasant, making negative comments about an individual or on internet can damage reputation or cause physical or mental harm to the victim. Okay, now we have the next thing, that is the hacker and cracker. Hacker is a person who illegally breaks into the computer system, is known as the hacker. Hacking is a cybercrime. Hackers are computer experts. They try to gain unauthorized access to the computer system by stealing and corrupting information. Most of the hackers break into computer for financial benefits. Then they get to the credit card details or a bank account information so that they can steal money. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, that hacker has an in-depth knowledge of network programming and can create tools and malicious software for others to break into the network and create problems. I have shared a link of an example of a hacker develops a software that known as dictionary file is loaded. Regarding dictionary file, I have shared a link from a YouTube, you go through that link and you can view or study that how the dictionary words are being used in order to steal the information from any other computer. When software is run, it tries all the dictionary words one by one as password to hack a computer. This method works if the user is having a simple password that exists in a dictionary. So it's very important for you to create a password that is very difficult to recognize by the unknown person or the hacker who is continuously trying to steal the information by the unnecessary, or you can say illegal means. Then we have the term cracker. Cracker is a computer user who breaks into computer system without permission using hacking tools for personal gain or damage and commit cybercrime. Most of the crackers do not have professional computer skills to hack computer system, but they have knowledge about using hacking tools. Crackers break into computers and cause serious damage. Okay, and the most difficult part is that these criminals are dangerous and they are hard to catch. Okay, now I have shared another link regarding the cracker, and that is about a keylogger software, because the cracker can install a keylogger software on another computers through internet. Now what actually a keylogger software is, in that video, a detailed video is about a keylogger software, how it get installed in your computer and the computer user is unaware of this software. Basically, a keylogger software is a software which records every typed letter on a keyboard. When a user uses Facebook and enter the password account details, it will get recorded in a cracker's computer. Now he can easily hack the Facebook account.